Take the correct answer. If two parallel forces have same direction, they are called like parallel forces. Turning effect of a force about an axis is called torque. Clockwise torque is considered as negative. Torque is a vector quantity. Center of gravity of a uniform rod is at center of rod. A body at rest or moving with uniform velocity is said to be in equilibrium. If vector sum of all forces on a body is equal to 0, then it is said to be in translational equilibrium. A body will be in rotational equilibrium if the sum of clockwise torques acting on a body is equal to the sum of dash perpendicular forces, parallel forces, counterclockwise torques or clockwise torques. काउंटर क्लॉकवाइज टॉर्क्स, क्योंकि क्लॉकवाइज टॉर्क्स की तो हमें सम गिवन है, अगर हमें इक्विलिब्रियम करना है तो हमें काउंटर क्लॉकवाइज टॉर्क्स लगाएंगे, तो दोनों को अगर हम सम करेंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर 0 आ जाएगा. The center of gravity of a body is a point where dash acts. The torque, the external force, the weight of the body. The weight of the body. First condition of equilibrium states that the sum of forces is equal to 0. Two forces which are equal and opposite in direction and not acting along the same line constitute a option number B vector. If a body comes back to its original position when it is slightly displaced, it is said to be in stable equilibrium. A cone resting on its side is in dash equilibrium. It's in neutral equilibrium. क्योंकि आप अगर इसको थोड़ा सा भी पुश करेंगे तो ये अगेन एक नई स्टेट इक्विलिब्रियम की हासिल कर लेगा. ये फेमिलियर होगी इसकी शुरुआती स्टेट से. The unit of torque in SI unit is Newton meter. Option number C. Right, true or false? Two unlike parallel forces have same direction. False. The center of gravity of hollow sphere is within the material. False. True. Torque is a scalar quantity. It's false. Torque depends upon magnitude of force and momentum. It's true. First condition of equilibrium state that the sum of torque acting on a body is equal to 0. False, because sum of forces acting on a body is equal to 0 is the first condition of equilibrium. A body at rest is said to be in dynamic equilibrium. It's in static equilibrium. It's false. The second condition of equilibrium states that sum of counterclockwise torques is equal to sum of clockwise torque. It's true. In a stable equilibrium, the body does not come back to its original position when it is slightly displaced. It's false, because the body does come back to its original position. A body is said to be in translation equilibrium if its linear acceleration is equal to 0. It's true, because if linear acceleration is equal to 0, then the body is moving with uniform velocity. A couple cannot be balanced by a single force. It is true, because to balance a couple you must need more forces than of single force. आपका शुक्रिया. आपको अभी भी कोई भी हमसे सवाल पूछना हो तो हमारी ईमेल एड्रेस गिवन है और हमारा व्हाट्सएप नंबर भी गिवन है. काइंडली डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. हाँ, दूसरी बात, आपको कोई भी सवाल पूछना हो तो आप नीचे कमेंट्स में भी मेंशन सवाल कर सकते हैं अपना. ठीक है, थैंक यू.